Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa, Filipino wife in America. Today, we are going to talk about how to register your marriage in the Philippines while you are here in America. In other words, how can your status be married in the Philippines even if the marriage happens in America? Yes. I would like to begin this video with the questions. The first one is, do we need to register our marriage in the Philippines, even if we are married in America or anywhere in the world? Next one, do we need to get married again in the Philippines, even if we are married in America or anywhere in the world? Is the marriage in America binding or legal in the Philippines? Now, let's answer the first one. Do we need to get married in the Philippines, even if we are married here in America or anywhere in the world? Actually, the answer could be yes or no. I would begin with yes, according to your choice. You always have the choice and freedom to get married or to have the wedding in the Philippines again, if you want to. And the next answer is no, not anymore. Because when you are in America, there is a way to register your marriage in the Philippines, even if you got married here in America. What are you going to do? You just have to log on to the Philippine Embassy here in America. Like me, we are in Wisconsin, so we are covered with the Philippine Embassy here in Chicago. Here are the following states which are covered by the Philippine Embassy in Chicago. Now, if you live in one of these states listed here, therefore, you are going to register your marriage in the Philippine Embassy Chicago office. Yes, since we live in Wisconsin, and we are going to register our marriage in Chicago. Yes. Next, do we really need to register our marriage in the Philippines, even if we are already married here in America? The answer could be yes or no. Why yes? If you want your status to be changed as married in the Philippines, when you go back to the Philippines, that means you need to register your marriage in the Philippine Embassy here in America. Why? Because if you don't register your marriage here in America, that means if you are married in America, you are just married in America. You are still single in the Philippines. That's the idea. Why do you need to register your marriage in the Philippine Embassy? So that when you go back to the Philippines, your status will be changed to married. And plus, you can also use the surname of your husband because your status is already registered in the Philippine Statistics Office that you are married to your American husband. And the next answer is no. You have the option. Now, if you don't want your marriage to be recognized in the Philippines, if you are fine with your status in the Philippines as single, you may not register your marriage in the Philippine Embassy. Actually, you have the option. So therefore, when you go back to the Philippines, you are still single. Now, if you decide to register your marriage in the Philippine Embassy here in America, like me, these are the requirements. So here you can see the forms. So in every form, you are going to have the photocopies. You are going to reproduce 4 copies more aside from the original copy that you are filling out. At the same time, you are going to show all the original documents aside from photocopies. If it happens that you register your marriage a year after your wedding or after you got married, there is also an affidavit given to you. So you are just going to fill out the affidavit, submit it, that's together with the registration of the marriage. Okay. Here are the requirements for you to submit. Show the original copy together with the photocopies. Showing you here the video so you can see how the requirements work. those are the requirements, and I hope I answered all the questions. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Hope to see you on my next video. Don't click the video off yet if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. Merry Christmas. See you on my next video.